Hello and welcome to another video with my voice. This is just to follow up from my other video I've just done looking at how to use Zoom on a computer. I thought I'd do a version on how to use it if you don't have a computer and want to use a phone or a mobile device. So, I'm doing this on my Android device, but if you have an iOS or a Windows phone, it shouldn't matter, the instructions should be pretty much the same. So step one is going to be to go to the Play Store or the App Store on your respective phone. And then where you can search is just type in Zoom. It's going to be this top option, the Zoom Cloud Meetings. If you click on that and then go to Install and then open the app when it is done. When it is installed, if I just go back a moment, you'll see it should just appear somewhere on your screen anyway. When you open it up, it'll give me into, first off, join a meeting without an account. So if you have a link you've already been given, you can use the option to join a meeting without actually having to give away any personal information, which is good. You can also, if you haven't, do the sign up option. All you do here is you enter a date of birth, and then ask you for an email address, and then you'll get sent an email which will take you through to enter a password, which will then create your account. Let's say you have already done that. We're going to go for the sign in option. So I'm going to sign in with my school account, and then a password, which I'm going to change after this video in case it appears as I type it in. It's a very generic one set up just for this, so don't worry. And then sign in. So this is the basic screen for Zoom on the mobile phone. You have the same things of joining and scheduling. The first thing I'm going to show is the new meeting option. If I click that, I'm going to turn the video off because I've not done my hair today. And I'm going to press start a meeting. See, it's now connecting. Call and now into a call. I'm going to allow it to record audio, video, and whatever else to do. Just where they are. Myself, I can start video, I can share my content, and then I can look at adding other people. I press this invite. I can do various different things to send a link to invite someone to the call, such as email, text message, whatever you want to do. They can join exactly as if it was on the mobile. So I'm going to go back, and then to end the call on mobile, you've got the big end button in red at the top. So I'm going to press, and I'm going to end the meeting. That's that bit. Next up, if you get given a code and you have an account, you can press the join option, and in here you can just type in your meeting ID, and that will take you into the call. You can choose if you don't want your video on, or if you don't want audio, or there, and that's it. So if I had a link, which unfortunately I don't at the moment, I'll type it in there, then press join meeting. There we go, that one wasn't real, but you get the gist. And that is essentially, in a nutshell, how to use Zoom on a mobile device. I hope that's helpful. Take care.